We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the earwax removal tool camera with 4 Earspoon Lake Green by AIFINI. This product promises an innovative way to maintain cleaner and healthier ears by combining a small camera with earwax removal tools. It is designed to connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to see inside your ear canal in real time through an app. The device includes 4 different ear spoons for varied cleaning needs and comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Users generally find the device effective in delivering a clear and steady video feed, with many praising the camera's picture quality. The ability to see inside the ear canal is described as fascinating and helpful, especially for those who want to ensure thorough cleaning or check for foreign objects. Some users have found it particularly useful for confirming the absence of lost items in the ear, such as earbud pieces, potentially saving trips to the doctor. The camera also finds unconventional uses, such as close-up inspection of skin for blackheads or checking for lice in children's hair, demonstrating versatility beyond its primary purpose. On the usability front, the device is reported to be easy to connect to phones and straightforward to operate. The app installation and Wi-Fi connection process are generally smooth, although some users have experienced connectivity issues after initial use. The tool's design includes a blue safety tip to prevent injury, but this tip can obstruct the camera view, making it difficult to navigate the ear canal fully. The camera's position relative to the scooping tip is sometimes inconvenient, affecting ease of use when trying to clean deeper inside the ear. A notable challenge with the device is the camera orientation. Many users report that the video feed appears inverted or reversed, which can be disorienting and make controlling the tool feel like playing a game with inverted controls. This inversion issue is consistent across different settings and detracts from the overall experience. Additionally, the LED light on the device, while necessary for visibility, tends to get warm during use. Although not hot enough to cause harm, it can be uncomfortable given the sensitivity of the ear canal. Battery life is another area where the device shows limitations. Despite being rechargeable, the battery does not last very long, which can be inconvenient for extended use. Users mention that the battery drains quickly even when fully charged, suggesting that multiple charges may be needed for frequent use. Durability and build quality receive mixed feedback. The device is considered good value for the price and seems reasonably durable. However, the fixed tip design is a drawback for some who would prefer interchangeable tips to suit different cleaning needs. Cleaning and maintaining the camera and tool can be tricky, as the small components require careful handling to avoid damage or contamination. Overall, the earwax removal tool camera offers a unique and engaging way to manage ear hygiene with visual assistance. It is especially appealing to those curious about the inside of their ears or who want to ensure a thorough cleaning. The product is also helpful for parents and caregivers who need to check children's ears or hair for issues like lice or foreign objects. However, potential buyers should be aware of the camera inversion problem, the limited battery life, and the somewhat obstructive safety tip. Those issues might be significant enough to consider investing in a slightly more expensive model with detachable tips and better app support. In conclusion, this product delivers on its promise to provide a clear view inside the ear and assist with earwax removal, but it comes with usability quirks and some technical limitations. It is a good value for the money and offers a fascinating glimpse into ear care, but users should be prepared for a learning curve and some minor inconveniences. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description and using it supports the channel.